Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about why collections are not always on your credit report, okay? Number one, most collection companies do have a relationship with all three credit bureaus. Of course, that's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If they have their relationship built with them, then of course, if you owe a company money, that particular collection company purchases that debt, you now owe the collection company. And now, of course, they're going to start reaching out to you saying, hey, you know what, you owe us some money. In some cases, they do not report it all the way to the credit bureaus. That's, of course, your luck, honestly, because most companies do have it there. But I do sometimes when I'm working with clients, they'll say, hey, I owe XYZ company money. And of course, I'll ask about the date range. If it's like within the last 30 to like 90 days, I would say like 90 days is max. So if they say, hey, Calvin, I owe, I don't know, T-Mobile money, and I got a call from a collection company, and I say, okay, how long ago was that? And they say, okay, about 90 days. Then I'll give it another month to see if it's going to pop up on their credit report, okay? But there are plenty of times where you'll get a phone call from a collection company. It's legit, and the problem is that they may not have that relationship with that particular credit bureau. That's why sometimes you'll see collections are with certain different bureaus. Some collection companies have a relationship with all three. Some have a relationship with just two. Some have a relationship with one. And you better believe it, some have a relationship with none of the credit bureaus, okay? Now, I've seen it where companies and it's mainly local starter collection companies. That doesn't mean that you don't owe them. Of course, the laws are still the same. But again, I know usually when we talk about collection, everyone likes to play like they're a lawyer instead of just actually talking about paying their damn collections. But that's a whole nother story because nobody wants to do that, right? But at the same time, my job is to make sure that the expectations are set properly. So if you do get a phone call from a company, whether you admit to it or not, they know you admit it. They got it on paperwork, so it doesn't matter. But at the same time, a lot of times, if you owe a company and if it's not on your credit report, again, that doesn't mean it's not legitimate. It's just that just means that they're not on your credit report. Now, whether you decide to pay it or not, that's up to you. There's a lot of different statutes and limitations for different states, depending on what states you're in. Like for the state of Illinois, they go 10 years out. So 10 years after the close date of the collection, well, the open date technically when the collection is on your actual credit report, then you have 10 years, from that time frame, to actually pay that debt, that you're indebted to, the collection company. Okay, so again, that's Illinois. Depending on what state you're in, everything's going to be a little bit different. And again, I know everyone likes to play attorney, lawyer, all this other jazz. But again, there's going to be times where you're going to owe a collection company money, and it may not necessarily be on your credit report. It's really, you just got lucky, to be honest with you, okay? So either way, quick video, quick credit tip, that was it. So if you guys like this video, like it, you want to share it. And of course, be sure to subscribe as we have a lot more great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.